Hi everybody, welcome back to This is Reality 365. Well, it looks like somebody tried to take down the Georgia Guidestones. Well, they did take down one. Let me go ahead and play this little video clip for you guys. So these Guidestones are basically instructions on how to rebuild society if there was ever a nuclear fallout. Um, but some of these instructions just really do stand out. Like one of them is a new Earth-based religion, world government system, reducing the population by 80-90%. And as we can see in these photos, a lot of people, well, who were probably awake, didn't really care for these stones too much. But if you guys want to read more information on these stones, I will be leaving a link in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching.